Hello, in this lecture we are going to understand two-way winding of Angular. In previous lecture we have discussed about one-way winding. So what is the concept of two-way winding? Actually two-way winding means we are passing the data from TS file to HTML and it's vice versa. Means we are passing the data from HTML to CSS, sorry, HTML to TS as well. Okay, so it is called two-way winding. Means we are passing data from .ts to HTML and HTML to .ts. So to implement this two-way winding, so before we have to understand that what we are going to do, and then we will understand how we can do it. Okay, so first of all, to understand it, first of all we have to understand what we are going to do. So for this, what I will do, I will actually I have a application, and I have a component, that is app component in src and app. So app component, so I will use this component, default component, Angular default component, to implement my two-way winding. Okay, so what I will do, I will choose my component.html file. Okay, so right now I will comment this one. So I will uh, use a input field. I will write input. Okay, so I will execute this and I will switch to my browser. So see, I I have get my input field. Okay, so what's the purpose of mine? See, first, before going to two-way winding, I will implement one-way winding. Then we will go ahead for implementing the uh, two-way winding. Okay. So see, for this I will go to my app.component.ts. Okay, here. So what I will do? Okay, let me create a new component. Okay, and we will implement that. We will implement the two-way binding in that. Okay, so let me create. So I will open new terminal. Okay, so I will use ng uh, ng generate means c, create means c, and component name uh, binding. Okay, binding. So wait for a while. Okay, I got my component c here, binding. Okay, having .html, .css, .ts, and .spec.ts file. Okay, so uh, let me remove the HTML content from app.component.ts. Okay, so I will remove this one. Great. So I will come on my .html. So I will write here my input field. Okay, input, input. Now I will see, if you have to execute a single component, then its selector should be available in uh, index file. See, it should available in this file, index.html. So how I can link? So see, I will go to my binding.component.ts. I will see here the selector name is app binding. Okay, so I will copy this one from here. So in order to execute my component having name binding, I will uh, go to my app component.html. Okay, so I will enter and I will use this. See, Control V, Shift greater than C. So when I will execute my program, my winding component will execute because of this selector. Okay. Okay. See, okay. Come on, the same thing. m.component.ts. See. So what I will do, I will what I will do, I will use a variable. Let's see, name. Okay, name equals to Robin, Robin Chaudhary. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will pass this to my. I have to pass this to my uh, input field. Okay, it should be visible here. Means here my name should be visible. That is Robin Chaudhary. Okay. So how I can implement this one means I have to perform one-way binding. So how I can do it? So so what I will do, I will go to my .html file and value equals to I will assign value of name that was in my ts file. See name. Okay. So I will write here name. So my input field will get the value of name that is Ronchi. So let me execute. See, it is the example of one-way binding. Is it clear? Great, it's clear. Okay, so now what we have to do, it's the example of one-way binding, but what we have to do one more thing to perform the two-way binding. As I have written here Robin Chaudhary in input field, but it should be available uh, below this input field as well. So it can be done with the help of what? It can be done with the help of two-way binding. So to proceed with or to perform two-way binding, we will have to follow some steps. In which first step we have to include our forms module, okay, to perform two-way binding. So we will go step by step to perform the two-way binding. Okay, so I have to open. See, what I will do, I will go to my app module .ts file. Okay, here what I will do, I will import forms module. Okay, forms module. Okay, okay, it was my first step or for performing the two-way binding. Okay, it's done. Now one more thing I have to do. See, I will use uh, input event. Okay, input event input. Okay, on input event I will perform some function. So I will write a, let's suppose I am creating a function data winding. Okay, data winding date. See, okay, so now I will come to my .ts file, sorry, winding.ts. Okay, here. So what was my function? Data binding, right? So I will declare my data binding function, data binding. Okay, great. Okay, so what I will do, I will get my data in my data binding function. Okay, so actually what I am doing, see, binding.component.html. I am performing an event on my input field with the help of this event, that is input event. Okay, and this field is binded with the help of this method. Means when I will write anything in my input field, my data binding function will execute. Okay, so I have to give the definition to data binding function to perform the two-way binding. Okay, so what I will do with data binding function, so to perform this one more thing, I want to make you clear that I will have to use a special type of you can say variable, or you can say object actually. So what I will do, I will use, see, I will pass a parameter or object, you can say, or a special type of variable. So I will write event that is mandatory to perform the, sorry, to perform what? To perform to eventing event. Okay. So I will pass this to my uh, parameter in my .ts file. Okay. uh, Event, sorry, event, and it may have any data type. Okay, so I am writing any. Great. So now what I will do, I have to fetch the value of my input field in order to get it below of in order to get it out of this input field. Okay, so how I can fetch this value? So what I will do, actually I have declared a what I have declared a event, or I have declared a object here. I have passed a object. Okay, so with the help of this I will perform that operation. I will go to my binding.component.ts. What I will do, I will get this value. Okay, in my function. So what I will do, I will write this dot name. Okay, and what I have to do, I want to assign a value of what? Value of my input field. So I will write target value, target, sorry, event dot target dot value. So what I am doing here, I am trying to get the value of my input field, that is this one. I want to get the value of this, means whatever I will write here, I will get it in my this variable, that is this dot name. Okay, great. So I can return this, return. Okay, so hmm. So here I want to get that value. I will write a paragraph, and and dot ts. I will write name. I will use interpolation. name. Okay, see, I am getting this one, but I am not getting it in. Oh, see, yeah, it's working great. This is for two-way binding. Okay, see, whatever I will write here. See, Robin Chaudhary. This is sorry, spelling is not correct. This is for that two-way binding. Okay, two-way data binding. We write two-way data binding. Okay, so wait. So whatever I will write here, I will get it outside of this. Okay, so I am a student. See, I am getting it here. See, 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 right? Hmm. Let me refresh this page. Mm-hmm. I can do one more thing. See, value, value, uh, value, name. Okay. See, okay. So what I did. See, this portion, the value name, as I have already discussed before it, this is showing one-way binding means binding dot component dot ts file is here. So I am assigning the value of name to the value of what? To the value of input text. Okay. See, so I have assigned this in my binding.component.html. That's why I'm getting this in my input field, right? Robin Chaudhary. Okay. And this portion is responsible. See this one. See this one. This portion is responsible for what? Two-way binding. Okay. So it is responsible for two-way binding. I'm going to see you once more to my .ts file. See what I am doing here. I get name variable inside my function with the help of this dot name. Okay, and actually my name is holding what? My name is holding Robin Chaudhary, but I am assigning the value of what? Event. Actually, event is targeting my this input field. Okay, so I am selecting the value of my input field with the help of this person. That is event dot target dot value means I am targeting the input field and I am getting the value. Okay, means I am getting the value of my input field with the help of this variable means event variable. It is mandatory. Without this, you can't perform two-way binding. So it's mandatory. With the help of this, you can target input field. Okay, so in order to get the value, you have to write in event dot target dot value. It is mandatory. Okay, it's not a simple variable. It's a special type of variable you can say, or it's the object actually. Okay, so I am getting input field in my name variable. Okay, because of event. Wait, so it's the two-way binding. Okay, And one more thing I have to share, that we can perform the same thing with the help of what? With the help of ng model. Let me share my screen with you. See, two-way winding ng model. See, it's the syntax for performing two-way winding with the help of ng model. Actually, ng model is a directive attribute. Okay, we will discuss directives in details in upcoming in next video. So we can perform the same thing with the help of this, and it will reduce the code of writing. Okay, means we don't need to write a lot of code. We can do the same thing with the help of this line only. Okay, so let me show you how we can perform this. So I will go to my binding.component.html. Okay, so I will copy this one, and for a while I will comment it. Okay, Ctrl plus C, comment it, Ctrl plus enter, paste. Okay, so what I will do, I will write ng model. Okay, ng model. Okay, and I will use square bracket. This one, no, sorry, this one, equals to a name. I can use name. Okay, so let me show the output. See, the output is same. Okay, whatever you will write, you will get the same output. So Robin Chaudhary is a engineering student. See, okay, so you can see the output. Let me zoom it so that you can see it properly. Okay, see, so it's the two-way binding. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you very much. We will come with a new video in which we will discuss about the directives. There are three types of directive: attribute directive, component directive, and one more directive. We will discuss that portion in detail. Thank you.